Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
I feel proud.
I feel proud.
I feel brave.
I feel brave.
I feel strong.
I feel strong.
I feel calm.
I feel calm.
I feel lucky.
I feel lucky.
I feel helpful.
I feel helpful.
I feel smart.
I feel smart.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel angry.
I feel angry.
I feel scared.
I feel scared.
I feel shy.
I feel shy.
I feel upset.
I feel upset.
I feel hurt.
I feel hurt.
I feel mad.
I feel mad.
I feel lonely.
I feel lonely.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
I feel thirsty.
I feel thirsty.
I feel cold.
I feel cold.
I feel hot.
I feel hot.
I feel itchy.
I feel itchy.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
I feel weak.
I feel weak.
I feel friendly.
I feel friendly.
I feel kind.
I feel kind.
I feel silly.
I feel silly.
I feel excited to learn.
I feel excited to learn.
I feel ready to help.
I feel ready to help.
I feel nice.
I feel nice.
I feel peaceful.
I feel peaceful.
I feel bored.
I feel bored.
I feel surprised.
I feel surprised.
I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
I feel confused.
I feel confused.
I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
I feel joyful.
I feel joyful.
I feel brave today.
I feel brave today.
I feel happy at school.
I feel happy at school.
I feel sleepy after lunch.
I feel sleepy after lunch.
I feel proud of my drawing.
I feel proud of my drawing.
I feel scared of the dark.
I feel scared of the dark.
I feel strong like a superhero.
I feel strong like a superhero.
I feel sad when it rains.
I feel sad when it rains.
I feel calm when I read.
I feel calm when I read.
I feel loved by my family.
I feel loved by my family. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.